Hello friends, welcome to Center for Civil Engineers. In this video, I am going to talk about top 10 interview questions and answers on bricks. The first question is, what is the standard size of a brick in India? The answer is, in India, the standard size of brick is 19 by 9 by 9 centimeter. If you want to mention in millimeters, the size is 190 by 90 by 90 millimeters. The first dimension indicates the length of the brick. You can see in the picture, this is the length of the brick, and second dimension indicates breadth or width of the brick, and third dimension indicates depth or thickness of the brick. This is about first question. Second question, what is the size of a traditional brick? Traditional brick size is 23 by 10 by 7.5 centimeter. If you want to mention this size in inches, 9 inches by 4 inches by 3 inches. These are the bricks which are available locally. For example, in Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, these are the bricks available 9 inches by 4 inches by 3 inches. By using these bricks, you can construct 9-inch wall thickness for external walls and 4.5-inch wall thickness walls in partition walls. This is about second question. Third question, maximum thickness of mortar joint in brick masonry. The answer is 13 mm. It is approximately equal to half inch. Generally, while constructing masonry, we used to place mortar between one layer to another layer. The maximum should be this much only, 13 mm. If it is more than 13 mm, it leads to cracks. If the cracks available in the masonry, automatically the strength of masonry will decrease. That is the problem with more thickness of mortar joint. Next, question number, average weight of a brick, that is red brick. The average weight of brick generally 3 to 3.5 kg. How this 3.3 to 3.5 kg is, to verify this weight, we have to take three bricks. Three bricks we have to take. We have to take brick 1 weight, brick 2 weight and brick 3 weight. After taking three weights, summation of all three weights of bricks divided by 3 bricks. Why? Because we have taken 3 bricks. The average weight of 3 bricks should be between this range. This range nothing but 3 to 3.5 kg. When the weight of brick is between 3 to 3.5, that indicates that is good brick. Question number 5. Number of traditional bricks required in 1 cubic meter of brick masonry. This depends upon size of the brick which you are going to use. In this case, I have used traditional brick. Traditional brick size is 23 by 10 by 7.5 centimeter. If you use this brick, you are going to get 580 numbers. That too, this number without thickness of the mortar. I did not consider thickness of the mortar. It is very simple. 1 divided by size of the brick in cubic meters will give you number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter. I have made separate video how to calculate number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of masonry. Question number 6. What is frog? Why it is provided on brick? Here you can see the picture of frog. It is a small depression provided on top of the brick. The main purpose of this depression portion called frog is to improve the bond between two bricks, and also it is used to mention manufacturer name or brand name of that brick. This is about frog. Question number 7. How to test hardness of a brick? Simply by taking brick and use your fingernail and scratch over the brick. When you scratch over the brick, if you find any impression on the brick, that indicates that is not good brick. Like that, we can check the hardness of the brick. Question number 8. Good brick dropped from the height of 1 meter cannot break. See, when you take a brick and measure distance 1 meter from this bottom of the brick to ground and drop it. When it is dropped, it should not break. If it is break, that indicates simply automatically we can assess the brick is not good. Like that, you can assess the quality of the brick. Next question number 9. Absorption test on brick. How many hours it has to soak in cold water? Before testing water absorption, we have to soak 3 bricks in water for 24 hours. After 24 hours only, we have to check water absorption. This is very important in case of water absorption test. Last one, 10th question. Compressive strength or cracking strength of bricks. This compressive strength depends upon category of brick. There are 3 categories here: class 1, class 2 and class 3. Class 1 nothing but full bone brick. Simply you can identify with the color. When the color of brick is uniform throughout the brick, that indicates first class brick. Such type of bricks may have 105 kg per centimeter square. In second category, nothing but half bound brick. The color will be, half of the brick will be red in color, remaining half will be black in color. Such type of brick should have 70 kg per centimeter square. Third case, unbound bricks. It is low quality and the color of this brick may be black in color completely. The strength will be 35 kg per centimeter square. With this, I have come to an end. I hope all these questions will be useful to you. If you have any doubts regarding all these 10 questions, you can ask in comment section, and also follow me on your favorite networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also Telegram group also there. You can join in Telegram group and you can ask doubts. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and also tap over bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.